So today we have this mini vacuum, and it's perfect for if you're taking it on the go, on vacation, in your room to keep as like a tiny little vacuum, for your gaming areas, for your shops, for your car. And there's many adjustments you can add to it. You can add brushes for the floor, brushes for your car seat. So let's go ahead and try it out. So it comes with many pieces here. It comes with a long tube. This one is more for like your car, small seats. This one's more for the floor. And we have this other piece here. And of course you have a charger, instruction manual, the case for it, and the vacuum itself. Has a decent amount of space for a travel vacuum. Very lightweight. So let's go ahead and test it out. So here I have the floor one, and I attached it to this long tube.
The beautiful thing about this vacuum is that we're gonna get all this grass out there. We constantly do it. You can always take out the extension, all right? You don't have to add it on, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Take up all the grass. All the grass. And if you want, you could just change the extension, take it off, push it there so you can make it stronger. Get the big pieces out first. Even this. Well, at the end of the day, look all the grass that trash that we picked up from actually the system. It did a great job actually. I would say 98% it picked up. It's perfect for traveling if you're gonna take it with you. Very convenient. The handle itself is very handy. I like all the attachments it has. It has plenty of attachments. It's gonna last for many hours. Easy to charge it with a Type-C. You're not going to have an issue. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.